Where is your next destination?
나의 두 눈을 감으면 떠오르는 그 눈동자 자꾸 가슴이 시려서 잊혀지길 바랬어.
Annyeong, chingus! So, welcome back to our channel! Today, we're gonna talk about a country na hindi lang pang K-drama, South Korea!
Hey, teach me how to do it, hey. They be like, smooth, what? Can you teach me how to do it? You know why? Cause all the bitches love it. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. And for you to back it up and dump it. Put your arms out front, lean side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you hit that dirty ride. Ain't nobody fucking with my bro from Morningside. He go by Bubba and he hit that death like thunder. Okay, I ain't from Dallas, but I need town boogie. I show my moves on to everybody tryna do it. I lead the functions and all the ladies tryna screw it. Now you just do you, and I'ma do it all day.
Annyeong, chingus! So, welcome back to our channel! Today, we're gonna talk about a country na hindi lang pang K-drama, South Korea! Country of kimchi, K-pop, and skincare! Kahit naka-minus 10 degrees sila, naka-crop top pa rin sila. But today, we're not just going fangirling, but we're going beyond the things we know that kasali dito ang tradition, culture, food, and the coolest place you can visit in South Korea. So what are you waiting for? Let's buckle up. Kasi, let's begin with history. Kasi sabi nga nila, you can stay in the present if you are still in the past. Aww. Okay, class. As if viewers pala. South Korea is a long and dramatic parang K-drama na may season 1 hanggang season 5. So, let's start with history. So, the first one in the list is the Three Kingdoms period, which is which in a year of 3 BCE to 668 AD. This concludes, or this part of these countries are Goguryeo, Baekje, at Silla, na parang tatlong magkaibigan na nag-away-away. So, these three separate Korean kingdoms competing for land and power on a time of warfare, but also cultural growth. Early Korean art, Buddhism, and traditions developed here. Eventually, Silla unified the three, forming the first major Korean nation. Then, in 918 to 1392, by Goryeo Dynasty, dito galing yung word na Korea. Ayun pala, is the Joseon Dynasty, which is in 1392 to 1897. This is the era of Hanbok, the Confucian values, the historical K-drama, na 100 episodes only. Well, this is the longest running Korean dynasty. This is the birthplace of many Korean customs today, like Confucian values, traditional clothing, and etiquette. So, Hangul, which is Korea's writing system, was created by King Sejong the Great. Many historical K-dramas are set in this period because of royal dramas and palace politics. In 1945, Japanese occupation, hard times na. Dito lang nagbubang ang Korean identity, a difficult period when the Japan controlled the Korea. Korean culture, language, and independence were suppressed. Many resistance movements formed the strength and national identity. and War of the World War II. So, in 1945, independence, but split into North and South Korea. So, Korea regained freedom from Japan, but the country split into Korea, supported by USSR, and South Korea, supported by USA. So, the division remains today. Second to the last, in the year 1950 to 1953, Korean War. Madugo, pero they rebuilt even stronger. So, Korean War, which is the North and the South Korea fought a devastating war. Even though they're in the same country, they have different perspectives and beliefs on things. So, millions were affected and the country was left in ruins. It ended in a ceasefire, not a peaceful treaty. So, technically, the war never officially ended. Finally, today, a modern high-tech culture powered by country. Short, from ancient kingdoms to colonization to BTS concert girls. So, let's proceed to South Korea's culture. South Korea's culture is deeply rooted in respect. So, bowing is a must. So, if may nakita kang Korean, huwag mong sabayan ng and what will you do when you interact some Korean friends? Here, what you do. Family is very important. Also, age hierarchy. So, kung may Korean kang kaibigan, expected nila na malalaman mo ang kanilang birthday in 5 seconds. Just like the Harvest Festival and the Lunar New Year are all about the family, food, and honoring family stories. So now, let's talk about their food. So, Korea is known for a food paradise. They have kimchi, bulgogi, bibimbap, tteokbokki, and street foods like fish cake, corn dog, and hot cake, lahat ay mura pero masarap. Warning lang, spicy levels nila sometimes parang exam na hindi pinaghanda. New setting! So now, as we all know, Korea's respect is an elite respect. So, when eating with elders, don't start eating first. Let the elders eat first because respect talaga. And also, no shoes inside the house. Kung sa Pinas, slippers are secret, sa Korea naman ay floor ang mahal. Giving items with 2 hands also the part of politeness. Kaya huwag mong ibigay ng 1 hand unless hindi mo gusto ma-unfriend. Korea has amazing places like Yongbokgung Palace. Perfect for handbook photos! Yan is Nami Island. Aesthetic for main character moment mo. This island, beaches, and waterfalls, volcanoes. Nature lover ka ba? At dito yun. That's all, everyone. That's South Korea for you. It's not about idols, dramas, but they are also rich in culture, deep in history, amazing food, and beautiful places. So, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Or send us kimchi every other words.